Is there a CNC machine that can cut metal, cut non-metal, and weld? Now GWEIKE launches the world's first M-Series 6-in-1 laser system. One machine, 6 functions. 1,200-watt CNC fiber laser cutting effortlessly cuts various metal materials. Cuts up to 10 mm carbon steel and 6 mm stainless steel. Precision up to 0.02 millimeters. Precision processing, just the way you want it. One-click nesting plus shared edge cutting. Boosts efficiency by 70%. Automatic edge finder. Intelligent flowing cutting. Micro jointing. Adjustable lift platform plus rotary attachment. Extra thick materials and cylinder pipe processing. Pass-through design. Handles full-size sheets up to 54-inch width for complete processing. Autonomous obstacle avoidance for safer operation. Modular design. Easy to operate and user-friendly. Fiber laser welding. Aerospace grade 0.1 millimeters weld seam technology. Over 5 times faster than traditional TIG welding. Safe and strong welding even underwater. Clean, strong welds with high efficiency. Fiber laser clean. Efficiently removes grease and oxidation from metal surfaces. Handheld fiber laser cutting. Tackles complex cutting environments with ease. 130 watts carbon dioxide laser for non-metal cutting. Cuts up to 25 millimeters. Ideal for wood, leather, acrylic, and more. Seamless fusion of creativity and function. Carbon dioxide laser engraving. Unlock boundless creativity with powerful engraving. Small footprint, big capabilities, perfect for tight spaces. GWEIKE M-Series 6-in-1 laser system. All you need, no extra feed.